on the wind.
Yes, from this telephone, and also from the GSM card and dongle that is here. So I need to have two plans to abonnementen. But the thing is that it allows me more range, I mean infinite. The only limit is the strength of the airplane and the battery. And also the mobile data, of course, that is for sure. Alright, so now I did not check the mobile data in the dongle. I am assuming it's going to do it fine because I saw how many spare are. So I am waiting this change to blue blinking and then blue solid.
Then it's connected.
To the to the mobile data antennas. And then it's using something called a zero tier. Zero tier that is using that mobile dongle and bidirectional data. Wow, it's not doing that today. It's trying to log in the data that is saved here and here, but it's not logging in the antennas. That is strange. And the last time I flew with this, a police helicopter was there. So I wonder if they are worried about me or something. Okay, why is that guy doing that? It's like a telephone flying. Because it's literally, this has an ID, GSM card, a telephone.
Now it's blue blinking.
Aha!
Solid blue.
Alright, woohoo! So you can see I do not have video feed, but I have controllability. And that is what I need now. Alright.
Just by itself goes.
Yeah.
It follows you or something.
No, that is the thing I told you.
When it's out of range.
Yes, that also. But what you are saying is this. I show you, hold here. Because I need this to touch the screen. I show you the map. That never changed. I cannot change it. You can change it, you have another mode.
Yeah, but when I have GPS on my DJI, I see where I fly. I see Google Maps and I see the whole range where I'm going.
Yeah, this also, and you have a home point, but you have another button that says follow you, go to you. I do not have that because for security they did not implement it in this. So this mobile data, I do not have enough to go there, so I'm going in another direction. Yippee. The battery is very, very weak, so I cannot do it. I cannot go away, far away. I almost reached the center of Eisenstein the previous day. Okay, I did not check. Let's check it. This is return home, okay? Now I'm going to check the settings. I'm worried about it. Okay, this is fine. Look. They made a regulation maximum 150. You cannot go farther. So I am kind of screwed.
Away or high?
Height.
Yeah, no, in my DJI the limit is 120 because of the regulations in Holland.
110. 120.
120, yes. That's the maximum height you may fly with.
No, it's 150, man.
120.
What the heck?
Oh, yeah.